Today we're going to fill out a tax return. Your tax return is probably a 1040-EZ. It is the easiest tax return form. It has the fewest lines. You're only going to fill out about 12 lines before you're completed. The 1040-EZ can be found at your local post office, your local public library, or you can get it online at irs.gov, which is where I got this form. The first part of your 1040-EZ is very simple. It's your name and your address and your social security number. And if your spouse is filling this out with you, you're going to put both of your information at the top. Okay? Now, for the rest of this form, you cannot fill this out until you have received all forms from any place where you would have earned income during the year. So, for example, you would earn income at your job. Okay? Your boss would send you a W-2. A W-2 looks like this, and your boss sends it to you at the beginning of the year, but it shows all the wages that you earned in the last calendar year. Okay, so if you're receiving this in 2013, it's actually showing you all of your 2012 income. Okay, so let's assume that on the 1040-EZ we had already filled out our name and address. Next, we're going to move into this income section here, and it wants to know what our wages and salaries and tips were in the last year. Okay, and it even tells us, we'll find that in box 1 of the W-2. It says should be shown in box 1 of your W-2. So we're going to come over here to our W-2 form. We're going to take a look at box 1, find that figure, $19,404.31. Now we can round that number to the nearest dollar, but if we round this number, we have to round all of them. So that would round down, $19,404. Okay, so we're going to put that in line 1. That was our wages, $19,404. We're going to round that because it was below 50 cents. Now, line 2 wants to know if we have any taxable interest. Where would you earn interest? You would earn that at the bank. The bank will send you a 1099 INT if you earn interest, a 1099 INT. If the bank does not send you one, then hopefully that means you haven't earned any interest. If you know you earned interest and they didn't send it, you might want to ask. So we're going to come on line 2, and we don't have a 1099 INT. Okay, that was a sample. Let's assume we don't have one. See, it was blank. So we're going to put 0 there. No interest. Okay, how about unemployment? You would also get another form like this. All of these forms prove that you earned income. This is from your job. This was from the bank, the interest form. We didn't get one for unemployment, so we're going to assume 0 unemployment income. Now, we're just following directions here. This form really is pretty easy. It tells us what to do. We should add up lines 1, 2, and 3. We want to come up with a total amount of income. Job plus interest plus unemployment. So we add all that up. Pretty easy math in this case. Okay, this is what we earned in the last year. The next section talks about deductions.